This is OPPO A16s, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So in order to do that, we will need to use the help of the third-party app that you can get for free from the Play Store. So open up the Play Store, connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, then type in Caffeine query like so. That is the app that we're looking for, so let me quickly download and install it. Now you can just go ahead and launch the app, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and as long as you do not close the Caffeine app, as long as it stays active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.